Well, we had a disaster today. I started out with this blank, and this is the 33/64 inch hole, and it went through okay. But the smaller one, the 31/64, it cracked. So I thought, okay, I'll use a different blank. And I had the 31/64 bit on, so I went through with that, switched to the 33, and it cracked. So yeah, I could probably use this one here and this one here, but that'd look ridiculous because it's obviously not the same. Anyway, I know what the problem is. When I designed the mold for this mold, the piece of wood that went in here was not a full 3/4 of an inch across. It was just a little bit under. I should have used a bigger piece. I think I'm probably going to pour another mold similar to this, only instead of this width, maybe have it, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch or more wider. The depth and the length is just right, but the width is just a little bit too narrow for a large pen like this. So am I discouraged here? Well, not discouraged, just a little bit disappointed. And you know, it's not that there isn't anything else I can do here with this. I do have a couple of blanks with the brass tubes already glued inside from 2 or 3 years ago. And I think it's mahogany. And I like mahogany. Every time I've made a mahogany pen, they've turned out really well. But you know, I've got another project in mind here. And I know I could go ahead and I could turn these mahogany blanks and you know, finish the Grande, but I just don't feel like it. I feel like doing something a little bit different right now. And maybe we'll talk about it in another video. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after, maybe not for a few days. We'll just see how it goes here. But if I take it on, it's going to be a long, lengthy project. Probably take me well into the winter. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. Discouraged? No. Disappointed? Yes.